find that liberty of and liberty of thoughts, you can say, is allowed in this school. So that's the best part that they are liking, for which they are always eager and looking forward to come to the school each and every day.
The way they are doing their academics part, they are not following the pattern the other schools are following. They are just ahead of everyone in part of academics, I must say. They are making the children learn while enjoying.
The school focuses every aspect equally, whether it's sports, it's studies, it's music.
I cannot see any stress on the face of teacher. They are very relaxed, which is very important thing.
He loves coming to the school. He loves spending time with his friends, with his teachers, and in the art room, the music room. He has developed the interest in music, which is very interesting.
The way in which education is being imparted, that I think is making a whole lot of difference. If I'm able to compare it to other schools, the way it had been going, I was really, I felt very upset with what kind of education it was, and here it is so different and so enriching. I'm very happy.
The best part about Infinity School is the individual attention that is given to each and every child. The child has, his or her own individual requirements, and that's how the child is treated, and the child is given a lot of fun element to come to school every day, and that's what draws the child to the school every day, which is very, very important for young learners. There are many positive change in the child because she's become more disciplined in the house. In fact, to an extent that she disciplines us as well, telling where to keep our stuff and not to raise voice and say thank you and sorry. And one very beautiful thing that came out in my child was she asked me to forgive, which is something that coming from a 4-year-old was very heartening and very, very, very great.
He is developing those kind of habits which would not have come with the standard schooling.
Earlier she was only good in academics in the previous school. In this school, definitely I have observed changes in terms of the confidence level has built up. She is now getting bossy in her peer group. That's the one thing that we have observed. So the confidence level has rose up to that level.
My daughter was reading book very nicely, English book, and thanks to the teachers for that, I can see the change.
He has started being so social, and earlier he was not. Earlier he was very shy of going in front of people, talking to the people or his friends, but now he is not. So many changes.
She like to study, like to draw something, like to paint something.
She always eager to speak English, like she wants to follow her teachers.
The level of interaction with the parents is also very, very good because it's not only face to face, it's also otherwise also. You get regular updates over the email. There is a particular structured program by which the school interacts with the parents.
So the PTMs which were held in my previous experiences, it was just marking attendance at school. But today when I met the teachers, it was so insightful, and I could actually make out that the teachers are really working on every aspect of development for the students.
Today it was the first experience to interact with the teachers, and it was simply awesome. It is very important, we should be in touch so that teacher also knows that is the same behavior being carried out at home also, and is she taking it with her at home also, and we are happy to tell them that yes, your teachings are with her 24/7.
No, we really appreciate all the support and coordination from the teachers and all the staff.
Also the way it is organized in a parent-teacher meeting, because this is the second school for our son and we have not experienced such good organization of the parent teacher meeting, and the format is like PPT, it's plan progress discussion with the teachers, so it is very nicely done.
Teachers are very nice, teachers are very interactive. I get all the information regarding everything, whatever has been done in the school, and whatever we have a daily based interaction with the teachers.
Interaction is a positive, it's a mutual two-way discussion where we identify the areas where Chiranjeevi needs to work, where we want something from teacher, and it's a mutual discussion, and we find it, we planned something, and let's hope, meet next and see the progress.
I have already done that. My sister is shortly to shift to Delhi NCR, and she was here for a short trip, and I asked her that you must go and visit Saira's school.
Well, definitely a yes for Infinity, because I have not seen, I had been very demanding in terms of my kids' education, and each and every aspect of that is being fulfilled here.
Yes, I am recommending Infinity School to many of my friends, but whenever they ask me about the quality, I always suggest them, you need to visit the school, you need to meet people there. You have to come, you have to visit, you have to meet people here, you have to understand their capabilities, you have to see the infrastructure, and of course the 2-floor beautiful library. I think this is the best school in Noida.
Yeah, this is the best school, and I would definitely recommend it to everybody and anybody. If somebody is going to ask me to where get their child admitted, I would just let them know that go and visit this school. I'm not recommending it, just go and visit it, you'll find it yourself.
Yeah, surely I would recommend the school to the others, and the infrastructure, the teachers, the principal ma'am, the learning concept, everything is very nice. The library, everything is very nice.